To get started, we will need a few supplies, a rubber band, a yarn needle, and a 4.mm crochet hook. Once you have these ready, let's begin. First, we will make a slip knot. Now we will pull the slip knot through the rubber band. Chain 1, and now we are going to make 50 single crochet around the rubber band. Now we will slip stitch into the first single crochet and then chain 2. Now we have 50 single crochet stitches around the rubber band, so now we will make 3 double crochet in each stitch all the way around. Now we will slip stitch into the first double crochet, then chain 1 and cut off the yarn. Now we will take the yarn needle and weave in the ends of the project so it looks neat and finished. Make sure you do this carefully so that everything stays in place. Now cut the yarn tails. And that brings us to the end of our crochet scrunchie tutorial. Here is the finished scrunchie. If you enjoyed this, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future tutorials. Thanks for watching.